Okay, it takes some time to run the SPSS. If let's say your computer is slow, then it takes quite a slow times lah. Okay, okay. Wow. Okay, my one is slowest. Okay, this is version 29. Okay, haven't go in yet. Okay, okay, this is the, sorry, I have to restart because someone used it incorrectly, so that's why they cannot run the SPSS. Okay, so, okay, so this is the new one. This is the first page that you will see. Okay, this is a new data set. Every time when you want to open your key in the new data, you have to open from here, new data set. Okay, if let's say you see here, store point auto recovery, means that the previous person, she entered the SPSS incorrectly. So that's why I have the auto recovery version. This part. If let's say you want to have the further information about how to use SPSS, you can go to tutorial. Okay, because this software is developed by IBM. IBM already have well equipped with all the informations about tutorial how to use this SPSS. Okay, now we just go to new data set. Okay, new data set and then click open. Okay, new data set, click open. I hope everyone follow. Okay, here we see here. Okay, now you see here these two variables, these two functions. This is called data view. Here, the bawah, bottom one, this called data view. Data view is mean that you key in data in this page. Okay, this called variable view. Variable view is you telling the SPSS what is the variables you want to key in. Like for example, variable view, I will tell SPSS my data is gender. Okay, data view, I will key in the data for each respondent, female, male, female, male. Okay, sama. Okay, and then you click your SPSS icon. Wait. You have another Windows we call it output Did you get it? Okay. No. Nanti I show you the output view lah. We have another page we call output view. You have another page. If not mistaken, you click this icon, you have another page. My one tak ada only. Do you have that? If not other is okay, we can proceed to next because I haven't finished yet. Okay, this is called output view. Okay, now we create the data first. You see my slide. This is the slide that I show you. So ID, gender, age, BMI, pensions, income. Okay, I repeat for the statistic for the data we divided by two. One is quantitative variable, one is qualitative variable. For quantitative variable, we divided by scale of measurement. One is called continuous variables. One is called discrete. If you time out divided by this, you can consider interval and ratio. The big difference is the ratio, the zero, temperature zero, not mean that empty, right? It's freezing, okay? So if let's say you are interval, mean that zero, Ratio bukan. Ratio zero mean that something, okay? For qualitative variable or another word is called categorical data, it divided by two. One is nominal data, one is ordinal data. Nominal data is mean that female, male, blood types A, AB, O, B. Everyone has one saja. Okay, ordinal data mean that categorical data with the ranking. Type of cancer, stage 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, faham this one? So, This is the variable data that you have. Okay, this is example. Remember, we are doing the soft statistic, right? Everything deal with numbers. Try to key in as many as possible in digit, in number. If let's say you key in alphabet, sorry lah, the SPSS can help you to analyze with the limited functions. Better or key in number. You see my gender? Female 1, male 2. So I will key it in number. 1 is represent female, 2 is represent male. Like you see, tension. 0, no tension, 1 tension. So this is called 0, no tension, 1 tension. Income group. 1 low income, 2 middle income, 3 is high income. Up to you, you can key 0, 1. 0 female, male 1. Okay? Tension 1, 2. 7, 8 also okay lah, depends on you all. If you want to be standard, usually we will use 1, 2, 0, 1 or 1, 2, 3. Okay, now we go into key in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I got 6 variable. So now you need to tell the SPSS. Now we do it together. We need to tell SPSS. Okay. Okay, I sit down here first. Okay. Okay, so you need to tell SPSS first variable is called ID, right? So this is ID. ID, gender, age, and BMI. So I tell SPSS our first variable is called ID. Can you key in together ID? Okay, SPSS very simple. Big capital, small capital is up to you. Okay, you can key in big capital or you can key in small capital. Okay, it depends on you. ID. Firstly, when we want to key in data, you need to declare what is the variables that you have. Okay, this one called types. You click here. Nampak tak? You click this one. Okay, this one is variable types. If let's say you key in numeric, that means that digit lah. You key in digit. Width is 8 digit. Decimal point is how many? Okay, then you have to go back to see your data lah. Ada decimal point tak? ID tak ada, then you kosong loh. You letak kosong lah. Okay, and then click OK. If the general ones that you will use, it will be the string. Number is called numeric. String is called alphabet. If let's say you want to key in the name of patients, then you have to click string. Okay. Tapi is 8 alphabet lah. You can do 80 alphabet also can lah. But no need now is digit numeric. Click OK. Width is how many of the numbers that you have. 8 no tak apa one. The default setting is 8. Decimal point is kosong. Okay, label. Label is explanations of your variable. It won't affect your results. It won't affect. So you can key in anything you want. Because you remember in future, you have to pass your data to your supervisors. Nanti you letak ID, then supervisors tak tahu apa itu. Maybe you can say, okay, this is number of respondent. Okay, just letak anything that you want. Okay? Or you want to say, oh, this is ID of respondent, also can. Like me, I letak number of respondent. Okay, number of respondent. Okay, okay. Values nanti I will. Values are here. Values is telling you if let's say this is categorical variables, we need to declare values. Nanti I will show you because ID bukan categorical variables. Now we go for missing data. Missing data maksudnya you have missing data. Then you tell SPSS, okay, now I want to have missing data. What is the value to represent the missing data? Okay, so for example, usually, when we have missing data, we will key in 9999. 9999. okay, or 999. It's up to you. Okay, you can click missing data and then put discrete missing 999. Okay, it's telling SPSS when you see 999 mean that this is missing data, not empty. Sometimes, like for example, I just give you an example. If let's say I key in macam ini, then I tak ada this one ID, I kosongkan, right? When we key in the data, we not interested to kosongkan. Why? Because we don't know you accidentally kosongkan or you purposely kosongkan. So that's why we have to tell the audience or tell the SPSS, hey, I actually this one bukan my mistake. It's really missing. So I will put 999. When I put 999, I declare 999 here. I am telling the SPSS, when you see this 999, yes, this is missing data. Faham tak? If let's say, up to you lah, this is the magic words lah. If let's say, myself, I prefer words is also can lah. Up to you lah, missing data. So I will declare it here. Missing data actually is called Faham tak? It depends on how you key in lah. Okay, I put 999 lah. Default usually will put 999. Okay, now we go to the second one, gender. Okay, because I want you to do gender first. Okay, gender. Okay, I letak gender. Okay. Okay, gender. I click next. Okay, gender actually is, according the data is 1 and 2. Betul? 1 and 2 only. Okay, so I will tell is not the decimal point. So I kosongkan decimal point. Click OK. Okay, gender of respondent. Let's say I want to do Thailand. Okay. Okay, this value, remember this value is only for categorical variables. Gender is categorical variables, right? She say in the data, she say 1 is female, 2 is male. So I need to tell the SPSS 1 is male, is female, 2 is male. Macam mana? So I need to tell SPSS declare here. You click here. Okay, you click click already. Click tambah. Okay, click tambah. Okay, 1 actually is masuk here female. Okay. Okay, so click tambah, add 2 is male. Tambah. Then you will see click OK. Itu saja. If let's say you key in 0 and 1, then you tell SPSS 0 is female, 1 is male. This is what you want to tell SPSS. Click OK. So you will see here, female 1, 2 is male. Then turn on your Zoom link. Okay. So this one missing data, maybe I put 999. Okay. Okay. If let's say your data tak ada missing data, tak perlu declare. Tak perlu declare. I just let you know saja. Okay. Okay, here. I forget this part. Okay, this one, measures. For ID, actually is scale, ordinal, or nominal. Or nominal also can. ID respondent is scale also can, nominal also can. I think scale also can, nominal lah. Okay, for the gender is nominal or ordinal? Nominal, female, male. Okay, so you have to declare lah. Okay, now your job is key in age, BMI, tension, income as the variables in here. Boleh tak? Key in another 4 variables. 1, 2, 3, 4. Age, BMI, tensions, and income. I give you 5 minutes. Age, BMI, tension, income. Only variables. Okay, 5 minutes, and you can see your slide, Okay. Okay. So you declare for the categorical variables, you need to tell. So I will use my example to considering range. But usually, yes. Okay, I think everyone is okay, Okay, bear in mind, when you put the names, remember you cannot put like this. One gender, variable name contains an illegal. Okay, like for example, maybe my study is mental health. I also double put like this, mental health. Double spacing also. Okay, what you can do is, usually if let's say you really ambitious want to have 2 words, we will put underscore to declare this is the space. Okay, faham? Okay. Okay, so this is what you have. Okay, so now you have age, you have BMI, you have age, you have BMI, and so on. Okay, after that, you will key in one by one, right? Okay, don't do this first. Now I teach you how to save the data. Okay, make sure when you save the data, you click save, whatever place you set. Let's say I put it to desktop. Make sure this is SAV. SAV, you must tengok SAV. Because you put into the different view, they will give you the different answer. Save and then put the name like me, Lim Okay, I just click save. Okay. Okay, now can you close everything? Your turn. You need to start from create the data again. Click cancel all. You need to Do this, slide 19. I give you 10 minutes. Open the SPSS again. Create the variables, key in all the data. Okay, do it again. This data is tak sama dengan just now the data. Okay, 10 minutes. I give you 10 minutes. Cepat do. You can save or you can turn the new data sheet again lah. Up to you. Or you want to try from the beginning, new data set also can. New data set, click open. Page 19, if those who have the slide. Wait. I tutup first. Okay. Actually, you have my slide, right? You can view the page 19. Okay, please settle it as 10 minutes. So it's 2:40. Please finish. Okay, cepat lah. You have 5 minutes left key in data and key in variable Key in data make sure you key in the data key in data key in data I give another 5 minutes seems like you all haven't complete the data key in data make sure key in data Okay, cepat-cepat, last 2 minutes. Okay, for online student, you can go to the second link now. Online student, not virtual, not physical student.
572 835.
Okay, I assume everyone already complete lah. Okay, this is key in data. Okay, this is how you key in the data. Remember, I just repeat, remember. Okay, sorry, I cannot start yet because your friends haven't joined. Okay, remember, for your key in data, these labels, it depends on how you key in. You empty can also tak ada masalah. No, not an issue. However, your supervisor's team might don't know what you are keying, so it's better that you key in the some things for your lecturers to refer. Okay, this one, did you see this icon? A1, A to 1 and 1 to A on the first line. Wait, let me have a look. Okay, this A value labels. You click this, you will know what you insert. You close, you will macam ini. Okay? Okay? Remember, you key in digit number, then you declare at here, female, male, etc. After that, you turn it, then you can turn to words. However, if let's say you key in words, let's say I key in words, like for example, I key in female as here, I key in words, it won't turn to digit for you. Bear in mind, it won't turn to digit for you. You can be terbalik, tapi cannot be words to digit. Okay, now we clear, and then we want to insert, let's say, we want to insert the new variable, new cases. Okay, new cases, maksudnya maybe I think out every something, then I want to insert some of the new cases. So you are going to insert the fifth new cases after fifth row. Right click only. What you need to do is just right click. Right click your mouse, left, right. Right click, insert. Okay, so right click, insert also can. Boleh tak? Okay, now can you insert this data? Right click, insert, and then insert this data. 10, 20, 18, 1.651. Please insert this at here. 10, 20. Okay, 18. Right click, right click, right click, insert. Right click, insert. Boleh tak? Hanya simple words, right click and insert. Right click tahu lah. Okay. Right click sajalah. Right click, insert. Okay, insert the variable, the details that I key in. Now here. 1020, letak 1020, 8, right? 18, 1.65, right click and insert sahaja. Okay. Okay, now we proceed to next one. Okay, right click the new variables. It is very common happen. You need to key in the new variable. Okay, so you very simple. You no need to do it. I just show you. How to insert the calculator. Okay, insert lah. Sorry. Okay, so like for example, I go to variable view. I want to calculate the BMI. Okay, so you need to right click, insert after 6. So I want to key in the new variable here. Right click, insert variable. Okay, clear? Can do it together, right click and insert variable. So this is BMI. Okay, BMI. Okay, BMI. Okay. Okay, but you see that actually I data data. I impossible manually calculate one by one. I need to ask the SPSS help me to calculate. BMI is height divided by square of the weight, right? So I need to ask the SPSS calculate for me. Weight divided by height square. Oh, thank you very much. Okay. So, okay, compute variable. Faham tak? Compute variable. Transform. Go to atas. Transform. Compute variable. Okay. So, what is the target variables that we want to save this data? BMI. Okay. Okay, BMI. So, weight squared divided by, weight divided by height, right? Square, right? So weight muscle divided by bracket height times height. Simple formula lah, okay? Okay, if let's say you start out this way anything, tapa one, you can weight muscle divided by, you know the bracket, right? You see your keyboard ada bracket. Bracket height times height square tutup bracket. Okay, has to be bracket Okay. Okay Okay. So okay, then click OK. Change existing variables. You say OK. Then you will get the result. Okay, dapat tak semua orang? Okay, okay, I think that everyone get the data. Okay, belum lagi I just reminder to you when you compute the BMI, you key in the new data. Like for example, I key in the new data again Okay, it won't appear the BMI for you Faham tak? So once you complete your data key in, baru do the new variable. It won't be like Excel. It will automatic help you to generate the new data, right? Tak ada SPSS. So have to key in all data baru buat when you want to compute anything. Okay. Okay. Now we go for next one Okay. Now we want to record the BMI. Usually we will record the BMI to the groups, normal, thin groups, and the obese, right? So you need to, any problems from the Zoom? Okay, you need to key in we need to compute the data to the categorical variable. We want to know that whether how many percent is normal, how many percent is not normal, etc. Thin, normal, and obese. Thin less than equal 18.49. Normal is 18.5 to 24.99. Obese 25, right? Okay. So how to do it all the steps already in the slide, but I just show you here. Transform. Click together. We now categorize it. Record into different variable. Transform. Record into the different variables. Boleh. Okay. Now I want the upper variables that I want to record is BMI. Okay. Okay. Now the new name is apa? BMI group. I letak macam ini lah. For example. I do it together. Okay, again, transform, record into different variables. Now I use the BMI to record to the different. So BMI group BMI category lah, whatever lah. Example saja, you can do whatever names that you want. Then click change. Mean that sekarang I need to recode my original data BMI to the category BMI. Okay, done this step. Click change, need to click change. It will declare here. Now I want to have the BMI group variable. Done this step. Okay, click here. Old and new values. Old and new values. Okay, here. Okay, so now we go back. Less than 18.49 is 10. Normal is 18.5 to 24.99. Obese is 25. So I need to tell people lah, less than 18.49, you categorize, you coded as 1 to me. Okay? Lowest less than 18.49, you coded 1 to me. Okay? Click add. Boleh? Okay. Then range 18.5 to 24.99, you coded normal, right? So 18.5 to 24.99, you coded 2. Okay, dapat. Then click add, click add, click add. Okay, the last group is more than 25, you coded 3. So value through highest lah. 25, you coded 3. Click add. Okay dah. Okay. Okay, I hope everyone okay. Click continue. Click OK. Then it will appear here. You will appear a new thing. Okay. However, you have, this is categorical data. So you need to go back and then tukar the decimal point, turn to kosong, and then tell the SPSS. 1 is apa? 1 is 10. Click. 2 is normal. And 3 is obese. Then click OK. Okay. Okay. Okay, then click OK. Then you will get the new data, which is BMI groups. Okay. Now it's your turn. Okay, I need you to try to categorize 3 categories. So mean that IQ, you have to turn to IQ group 3 category, 1, and then age turn to 3 category as well. Okay, can you do that? 2 variables are new 2 variables. Okay, so when you delete record into different variables, this one here, right? Delete all first, has to delete all, or masuk keluar dulu, then has to do, like for example, now is IQ, I masuk IQ. Hey, you see here first, everyone, like for example, I letak dulu. Okay, for example, okay, your here is still here, you know. All the previous record, you have to remove all baru buat, Okay, okay, please do it right now. IQ and the groups, age. Okay, see here, see that screen, IQ 3 categories and age 3 categories, 5 minutes, 5 minutes, you can declare the IQ, whatever. Hey, now do I2 and H Close slide, huh? Follow slide follow slide Okay, last 1 minute After that, I have to proceed to next one Follow slide, follow slide. Okay, now we proceed proceed Okay, I repeat before we go for the normality test I repeat data divided by two. One is called quantitative variable and then one is called qualitative variable. Okay, okay, quantitative variable, in other words, we call continuous data. Okay, so if let's say you see that your data is quantitative variables continuous data your here your side here all is scale. You tak perlu fikir others. Surely will be scale. If let's say you are categorical variables, qualitative variable, categorical variable in other words you have choice nominal or ordinal. Okay, then you have to decide lah. Nominal, for example, it will be gender ordinal, it will be like champion, first, second runner up, third runner up, and etc. running when you're running. Okay, okay. Bear in mind I just repeat your continuous data. You have to assess the normality test. Assess a normality. Okay, the bell shape normal curve with bell shape. Normal curve. Okay, I'm not good in drawing, so I show you. This is called normal curve. Boleh Okay, if let's say your data is normal curve, we will use parametric test. Actually, I already explained in the last semester. Surely you forget apa. We repeat again. Okay, parametric test. Starting from tomorrow, you will start to learn parametric test and non-parametric test. If data not follow the normal bell shape, normal curve, it means that not follow the symmetry curve. Symmetry curve. Then we will use non-parametric test. Okay? Okay. Okay. For categorical data, no need no need to check for normality please no need like for example gender, there is no normality checking. Okay, it's only 2 points, either female, either male. But for continuous data, your data will be for macam ini. So you have checking, you have normality checking. Okay, now we proceed. before that, I just repeat, if let's say your data is normal, you will present in mean plus minus standard deviations. Okay? If data not normal, you will present in median interquartile range. If let's say you are categorical data, you will present in numbers and the percentage. This is what you learned last time. Also same like now. Okay? Now we proceed to normality. Now you already know how to key in data, how to record the data. Now we go for normality. How to do normality checking only for continuous data. Okay? So before that, I have to explain what is the normality that you have. Okay, normality testing has several methods. One is graphical, histogram with normal curve, normality probability plots, PP plot, QQ plot, deterrent normal plot, box plot, and stem and leaf plots. And statistical mean, median, equal, Kolmogorov, Shapiro, skewness, etc. I explain one by one. Histogram with normal curve. If let's say your data see that the normal bell shape symmetry, you say that your data is normally distributed. This one simple. PP plot, QQ plot. You see small dot here, right? Is all the dot near to the line. We say the data is normally distributed. If the dot far from the line, you say not normally distributed. Okay? Okay. You ask me how to consider far or near. Okay. Depends on you. This is a weakness of this method. Because like to me, I also feel that this is near to the line, right? But some of the person, they feel that this is far from the line. So you consider not normal distributed. So it depends on your team, research team to decide whether it's normal or not normal. Okay. So also same, QQ plot also same. If the point far from the line, you say not normal. Most of the point near to the line, we say normal. Most of the point are not all the point are most. Okay, how to define most? I tak tahu. Okay, whether 80%, 90%, we don't know. So it's your own perceptions. Okay. Now, this one, deterrent PP plot and QQ plot. If let's say you didn't see the pattern, you see this one, Sejarawan, random, you say normal. If let's say you see there is the increasing pattern or decreasing pattern, you say not normal. Okay, this one is easy. Box plot, very simple. For the box plot, if the median fall on the center and you have the equal tier, we say normal. If let's say your median not fall on the center, like for example, this one not fall on the center, your tier is not equal, then you say not normal. Okay, so statistical, I explain all because later you one click, you will get all the result. Okay, statistical method, mean and median and mode are similar. Mean that this one, like mean 24.35, median 24.15. Both mean and median have the similar value. We say normally distributed. Okay, if not similar, then we say not normally distributed. Okay, how to define similar also is another school of, depends on your research team. Okay, 0.02 is considered similar. Okay, for statistics, our explanation is very simple. If I say A same as B, mean that A equal to B 100% same. If let's say that is slightly different, we won't say same, we will say similar. Even though in the English words, same, similar, equal are the same meaning. But for statistics, suddenly will turn to same is mean that 100%. Equal is 100%. Similar is, sama lah, approximately same lah. Okay, paham? So that's why you will see people will say similar value. Okay, Kolmogorov test. This is the one is simple. To test the normality is if for the sample size is big. Okay, if let's say p-value less than 0.05, you will say not normal. We want p-value more than 0.05. We will say normal data. Later I will show you. More than 0.05 normal data. Okay, Shapiro will test. The test for the normality for the sample size is small. If let's say normal data p-value will be more than 0.05, not normal will be p less than 0.05. Okay? Okay, attention here. Just now I say homograph is big sample size. Shapiro says small sample size is suitable. Okay, how to define small and big? Okay, according the book, some of the book they say 100, some people they say 200, some people they say 300. Okay, I thought out how to consider big or small. The safe way is if let's say you want to use this test, mention both test results. Shapiro and Shapiro and homograph. Okay, maybe I show you because they are partner. The result will come out together. Okay, okay, skewness divided by SE and kurtosis divided by SE. Okay, this is kurtosis divided by SE. Okay, so you see skewness divided by SE. Kurtosis value, see here, divided by SE. If let's say plus minus 1.96, you consider normal. If more than that, you consider not normal. Okay, this one you manually calculate. The SPSS will show you the result, then you have to manually cos 0.158 divided by 0.637, whether it's more than 1.96 or less than 1.96. Okay, okay, like this. Okay, normal. Okay, next, now we try it together. We do it together. Okay, wait. I want to. Okay, we do it together. Okay, analyze. We do it for the age. Analyze, descriptive, explore. Analyze already. Descriptive, explore. Okay. I repeat, analyze, descriptive, explore. So choose the age here. Choose the age. Okay. Then tak perlu ini. Plus. Click plus. Click histogram. Click normality plots with test. Okay, I repeat plots, click histogram, click normality plots with test, click continue. Okay, and then click OK. Okay, you will get the output. This is called output view. You nampak another one will appear in your SPSS. I repeat, click analyze, click descriptive, click explore. Okay, select age. Okay, go to the plots. Click histogram. Click normality plots with test. Click continue. Okay, and then click OK. Okay, so you will get this result. This is called output view. Okay, just now I didn't show you this, right? Click histogram, then this is called output view. All the outcome, all your analysis result will appear in here. Okay, will appear at here. Okay, so here. Okay, we do it one by one. We do it one by one. So now we say that okay, histogram with normal curve, right? So you see that your result got histogram with normal curve. But where is my normal curve? So you will see your mouse, double right, left click your mouse, your picture. Double click your picture. See, use your mouse, left double click your picture. Okay, double click your picture. Okay, you will see that here, any icon. Here, icon. The last icon on your top. The last icon on your top. Then you will see, sudah keluar, right? And then, where is it? And then close it back. Tutup saja. You will see your data. Close. Maksudnya, okay, double click this, then dapat already, right? Close. Okay, to you is normally distributed or not? Symmetry normally distributed or not? Bukan, right? This is not normally symmetry normal curve. So this based on this is considered not normally distributed. First done. Okay, then we see the second one. Okay, PP plot here macam ini ya. Okay, we go to this one. You see, most of the points are far from the line. So if let's say I use this, then I will say this data is not normally distributed. Okay. Okay, now we see the third one. PP plot, QQ plot, ada tak? Sama deterrent plot. Okay. No pattern considered normal distributed, but pattern considered not normal distributed. Let's we see ours one. Okay, langsung no pattern. Okay, it's all fall on the bawah saja, bottom only. So decreasing pattern. So this is not normal distributed because she only in the bottom part, so it's considered not normally distributed. Okay, box plot. Median in the central equal tier considered normal distributed. So now we see our curve. Okay, median is not fall on the center, but the tier is quite equal but median is not fall on the center, right? So not normal distributed. Okay, then we see mean and median. Okay, mean and median. You see the first table that you created already have mean and median. So mean is 23.38. Median is 23. To you is similar or not? If let's say you feel that it's similar, then it's considered normal distributed. It's okay, later I will explain. Okay, now homograph and Shapiro. Homograph, if more than 0.05, we consider normal. Less than that, we consider not normal. Okay. Shapiro, normal is more than 0.05. Not normal is less than 0.05. Then you see your data. They are partner. They will be together one. You see, Shapiro and homograph are together. You see significant value. This value is less than 0.05, right? This value is less than 0.05. If less than that, you consider not normal. Okay? Okay, wait, nanti, okay, skewness and kurtosis. Wait, for the Zoom one, please go to the third link. Okay, you will go to the third link soon. Okay, for this one, skewness and kurtosis mean that 2.288 divided by 0. Okay. Wait, I have to stop first, then go to third. Okay, For the skewness and kurtosis, skewness less divided by SE must be plus minus 1.96. Is more than that is considered not normal. So we have to do it. This one, skewness 2.288 divided by 0.564. Oh, more than 1.96, right? Is considered not normal. Okay, now we test for the kurtosis. 7.027. 7.207 divided by 1.091. 6.60. More than 1.96 is considered not normal. Okay, so you will see that so many statistical tests, right, method to assess the normality. Okay, there are two schools of thought. I just remind you all. One of school of thought is you need to run all the statistical tests. When majority say normal, you will say your result is normal. Okay, this is first school of thought. Second school of thought is you just run one test. That test is say normal, you just believe that. The rest you ignore. Okay? Both concepts are acceptable in our faculty or in the university or worldwide. Okay? So please discuss with your research team whether you want to run all or you just need to run one statistical test. Okay, I repeat. If let's say you decided to run all, make sure in your thesis you need to show all the results. From beginning, descriptive, this one, till end. Like me, if let's say my boss say, hey, why not we just run this one? Okay, so in your thesis, you just need to show this result. Paham tak? It depends on how you say. Okay, now it's your turn. Okay, you need to do the checking and then see whether this is normal or not. Okay, try to assess the normality of IQ and weight variables. Okay, check for each method, see that whether the output to you is considered normal or not. I will go to check one by one. Okay, okay, now your turn. I give you 10 minutes. Do IQ and do weight variable. Okay, IQ and weight variable. Okay. Oh, you tak ada that one. Oh, okay. Okay. You already said ada. Still running, right? Not for 1 year. Let's see like this. I save in desktop. This one you already saved lah. You select TikTok and open again. Open again. Oh yeah. Turn on again for data. As your data. This one. Thank you. Okay. Okay, right. Tell me why you think that this is normal. Okay. So, like for example, I ask you why this graph is normal or not. You have to tell me why you think that it's not normal. Reason is apart. Whether it's symmetry normal curve, whether it's clear issue or whatever. Okay. Okay, like for example, okay, because time issue, I cannot go to everyone's. Let's we explain like for example, IQ. Okay. Okay, IQ. Okay, like people ask you, kenapa you feel that IQ is normal? Okay, if let's say some people say that this is not normal, you have to tell people, okay, because this is not symmetry normal curve, so this is considered not normal. If let's say to you this is symmetric curve, then you say that, oh, this is symmetric curve, so consider normal. Okay, like for example, people ask you based on homograph and subhero test, the results show that the data is normal or not. You see P more than 0.2, right? More than 0.05. When more than 0.05, you will say normal. Here, more than 0.05, you will say normal. Less than that, you will say not normal. If people ask you whether, okay, this curve, box plot to you is normal or not? Not normal, because the medium line is not fall on the center, and then the tail is not equal. Faham tak? Okay? Because of the time limitations, so I cannot go to ask one by one. Now we have to proceed to the second. I just give one reminder. Don't do normality for categorical data. No need, no need. We will see many students will do this cute thing in your thesis. Don't do. Okay, why we want to do the normality test? Actually, is want to know that whether it's normally parametric test or non-parametric test. Okay, so you will learn this all starting from tomorrow, the Thursday. Okay, class, you will finish this all statistical tests on next week and go for the test. Okay, it's very intensive workshop. Class. Okay, so we will cover all of this. Okay, so it tells you to, if data is not normal, you can choose non-normality test, or you transform the not normal data to normal data. Transformations. Not normal data might increase the difficulty of the interpretations. Weight transform to log weight. May the result of the study transform data are not in the same merit as the original data. The result may not able to transform back to original. This is the transformations method. You have log, you have x squared, you have x cubed, etc. Transformation is very simple. Let's say I want to h transform to the log h. I show you only, you no need to follow. It's very simple, like what just now you use, compute saja. Okay, just now compute, right? You learn about compute, right? So now I need the h new h variable. H new. Let's say I haven't created yet. Okay, so I want to turn to log h. So you just put log h. Then click OK. Because I don't have any variables yet, right? So that, here log. Here has to be choose the log first. Okay, log is long, log h. So just choose whatever you want. Okay, click OK. So your data, you will have the new variables. Okay, compute saja. Like now, if let's say my weight is 53 kg, etc., I want to transform it to the gram. So I just transform Okay, weight gram. Okay, so gram is weight divided by 1000. So you will get what you have. Okay, so this is called transformations. So you can do for attentions. Okay, before end, I just briefly explain a little bit about when you firstly finish the data collections, because at this moment, you either wait for the ethics. Some of you get the ethics to start the data collections. Some already complete the data collections. What is the next step you need to do? You need to process the data and key into Spss. Coding, cleaning data, and computer software. We already ready for you. Coding the data is you need to prepare a code book with the details coding procedure. What is the meaning? Is like, no need to be physical book. You can put it to Excel or Notepad, whatever. Or you don't want, also can. Make sure in the Spss stated clearly. Like 1 equal to female, 2 equal to male. You have to very understand that what you coded. Okay. Okay, code. This is a code. Usually people interested that you have the code. Okay. Or you may pre-code in your questionnaire. Some of the research team already asked you to code it in your questionnaire. Then you just follow lah. Then you just key into your SPSS. Okay. So, or else sometimes you will change a continuous data to categorical data. Like just now, BMI change to BMI group. Age continuous change to categorical. There are many reasons. So it depends on you why you want to change to categorical data. You have to think about that. Okay. Bear in mind, one row, one respondent. One row, one respondent. Second row, second respondent. Bear in mind, we don't key in patients or respondent name. Just give them the code. Okay, just give them the code and then thorough key in. Okay, so you have to key in row by row and then key in the software. Whatever you can key in. Okay, bear in mind, first draft that you key in, save as one copy, don't touch it anymore. And then for if you want to tambah the categorical data or so on, go to second draft. Mean that save second copy lah, baru start all the changes. The first draft we call raw data. Don't do anything. Key in habis, cukup, then save. Because your boss in future, it will request two things from you. One is raw data, one is a final data from your chapter 4. Okay? Because she might interested that what if you don't want to do any changes for your data? Then start the analysis. Then, takkan you tell him, sorry, I tak ada raw data, I terus revise the data. Nah, boleh cannot do that. Okay, when you key in the data, how you ensure you key in correctly? You have to remember your questionnaire is quite lengthy. So how? Very simple. Like for example, I key in 5 plus 5 students. I key in maybe 20 row. Key in 20 variables or 200 variables. And then, very simple, 10% or 20% mean that you prepare the papers, put it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, put into a one plastic bag. You randomly select two numbers. Let's say I select 1 and 5. Dapat 1 and 5. You go to cross-check your questionnaire 1 and questionnaire 5. Adakah semua data that you key in is correct or not? Is correct? We will assume that all the data that you key in here is correct. Then 6 to 10, key in again. Okay, because bear in mind, this is just example. In your real study, you not only have this, you have about 200 variables. Like for example, questionnaire you use, that's 21 column already. Then patients, respondent, gender, income level, years of study, field of study, CGPA, some more. You have plenty of the column. Okay, so you have to ensure whether how you clean correctly, and you can verify according to do the descriptive analysis. This one Dr. Zai will cover on tomorrow, so I'm not going to explain. So missing data, you can code it as 9999 or delete or empty. We not encourage empty the cells because researcher really interested to know you accidentally put in missing or real missing. Okay, that's why we need you to put something. So think how to deal with it before you start the analysis. This missing data will affect you for the analysis. If let's say for example, female 40, 60, I ignore all the missing data. Actually, I have 40% are female, 60% are male. If let's say I include the missing data, which is this part, I got 20 yang tak tahu Their gender, female or male. Actually, my percentage sudah tukar, 40 divided by 120 will 33%. This one will return to 50%. So this one will turn to 16.67%. So how? Let's say you have 20 or 30% missing. Think seriously how to handle it and why. Because you maybe delete that whole variable, or you record it, or others, or retain, etc. You have to think about it. Okay, because the different study will use different method. Okay, so what you learn today, you key in data, how to compute the variable, how to record the variable, how to access the anomaly. Remember, starting from tomorrow, we'll start to teach you the parametric and non-parametric tests. This normality is very important. How to do transformations, how to process the data. Okay, I repeat this part. This part is really important. If the data is normal, follow parametric test. If data is not normal, follow non-parametric test. For each statistical test, we will tell you what is the assumption you need to fulfill. You fulfill correct, you will go for that. You fulfill correct, you will go for that. Okay? Okay, I know because you all already know what is your research. Okay? If let's say your objective is prevalence, some of your objective will be prevalence of apa, right? Your DV is prevalence, mean that categorical. Okay? Categorical. So you will be, maybe you were using this test. Please be concentrate on this test. Okay? If let's say your data, your objective is knowledge score, attitude score, numeric, right? You will cover, you will use this test. Okay, bear in mind. I not say that you don't need to, like for example, if let's say your research is numerical, when you learn about categorical, I not say that you don't want to concentrate, you also need to concentrate. I just give you the hints. Okay, in your chapter 4, when you do analysis, you have to wisely to make the decision how you choose the statistical test. But we will cover all. Don't worry, we will cover all. Okay? Any question before I end? Any question from the online students?
Oh.
Okay. No. Okay. So if no questions, that we end on this topic. Okay, I just reminder to you all, okay? I will meet you on next week. Okay? On the non-parametric test. Okay? After the 3rd of April, which is 4th of April, you are going to sit in for the assessment. Okay, my assessment is open book. Okay, you can bring your notes or you bring your tablet if you want. Okay, on the Wednesday, on the next Wednesday, non-parametric test, I will explain the assessment mode to you. Okay, no need to ask now, I will explain. So, which topic that I will cover? Very simple, my concept very simple, starting from my class until end of my class. Okay, then will be assessment. Okay, okay, thank you very much, and I will see you on next week. Bear in mind, for online group, you will go to attend physically on tomorrow. Thank you.